So you're thinking about moving to a senior living community? Well, in today's video, we're going to tour the lovely Eskaton Village right here in Roseville, California. So let's do it. If this is your first time to the channel and you'd like to stay informed about the current market in the greater Sacramento area, then please subscribe below and tap the bell for notifications. My name is Carla and I'm with Gold Group Realty, and I'd love to have the opportunity to help you find your new home in the greater Sacramento area. So please reach out to me. My contact information is in the description below. So before we tour the village, I thought I'd give you a little background on it. These homes were built 15 years ago, and Eskaton is a nonprofit organization. There's 298 homes here, and everybody purchases their own home, and they come in a few different sizes. The grounds are just landscaped beautifully. They just really did a good job in building this community for the seniors. There's a $280 a month HOA fee, and that covers your exterior maintenance such as the roof and paint. And they'll also help you install a light bulb or your HVAC filter as long as you purchase them, because they're quite high. And so they want to make sure that you get that service. Also, they'll unclog a drain if you have that problem in your house. They also take care of the landscaping on the outside. That's already beautifully landscaped, but if you want to plant your own flowers, and like one resident has a lemon tree, then they had to run it through a committee and decide whether they want to allow that or not. They'll consider those types of things. They're pretty good about that. They also provide medical transportation for $15 a round trip, and that's on Tuesdays and Thursdays. They have a golf cart that goes around the grounds, and they'll pick up residents. All you have to do is call them, and they'll take you to other people's houses if you don't want to walk or drive. And they'll also take you over to the bistro for lunch, or to the village center for activities and classes if you want to attend. And that comes with the HOA fee. Let's go take a tour. See the beautifully landscaped yards. We're at the beginning of fall right now, so the trees are going to be turning color soon. Made some of these look like little Swiss chalets, shutters in the front. There's a little pull out there where the people can put their trash cans. Yard maintenance is included in the HOA fee. As well as the service to put the trash cans in the little pullouts and take them back to your house. There's a little rose garden with the fountain in the middle where you can sit and visit. Very common place to gather. It's a beautiful community. A lot of crepe myrtle trees planted here. Residents can plant their own plants as long as they ask the HOA committee first about it and get it approved. There's a resident here with a lemon tree, so as long as it fits in with the decor of the community, they will consider it. a little gazebo area out there where people can gather, visit. We're going to take a walk over to the dog park right now in the bocce ball courts. Since nobody's in here, I thought I'd go in and take a look around the covered gazebo area. The sound of the water is just very soothing to people as they come and sit and visit with each other. Some picnic tables, very nice and cool and shady under here, perfect for summer. So here we are at the bocce ball courts, and on the other side of that is a little putting green. People that live in these houses love the view from behind their house. So I'm going to turn around and show a little patio area that's pretty cute here. Right now we're coming up on the vegetable garden area where you have to sign up to have a little raised garden bed, and then you can plant whatever vegetables you want in it. Several here to choose from. And the other side of that is the dog park. Pretty nice to provide a dog park in a community like this so residents don't have to drive off of the campus or drive out of the community to find a dog park. They have two weeping cherry trees right here in front, a little covered area to sit in the shade, and gravel area in the back, and you can see a ball back there. Somebody's been playing with their dog. But it gives it a nice little place to take the dogs and not have to go too far. Right now we're looking at the Independent Living and Assisted Living Center right now. This is the front entrance. This is the place where people can rent apartments. So we're going to go into the village center now and take a look around where we'll see the bistro and take a walk out to the swimming pool and see the event center. Here's a gathering room in the event center, and they have sign-up sheets for the different events that they have here. Beautifully decorated room to play cards or just visit with family. Here's the fitness center where classes are held for different residents. And there's plenty of equipment all the way around. Here we are out in the pool outside of the village center. There's a little patio area out here with little umbrellas so everybody can eat from the bistro out here or just visit. And we're going to go in and check out the pool right now. What I especially liked about this pool is that there's a ramp so you can walk down it, use a handrail to help yourself get in. There's chairs around the edge. A little hot tub at the end there. It's nice and enclosed, very clean in here. Non-slip surface all the way around. So I hope you enjoyed your tour of Eskaton Village today. And if you'd like to have more information about Eskaton Village, please reach out to me. My contact information is in the description below. And until then, I will see you around town.